Craving for suha is not over yet. So we are here at Villasis Market. And it's like, what time is it now? It's like 7 o'clock in the evening. And we are searching for suha. So, ito nag-ask ko kami ng magbabalat ng suha. 3, 100. Ayan, I have been craving for suha all day. I don't know what's up with me and suha these days. Hindi naman ako naglilihi, pero
parang ganun.
Imagine mo kung naglilihi talaga ako, no? Yes, yeah. Ayan. Talaga, like for some reason, talagang, okay lang nga, Jemano. Yes, yeah. I've been craving for suha for several days now. Maybe because I've been eating a lot of junk food and suha is the fruit that my taste buds are looking for. Ayan. So ano ang ganap ngayon dito sa palengke? Anong ganap sa auditorium? Youth night? O kabataan? So kung kami hindi pwedeng pumunta doon, kailangan bata ka, ganon?
Kalaki ni Ken kas dyan.
Oo. Ano yun, sayawan lang po?
Kaya meron din senior
senior citizen pala kami. So, it's kabataan night tonight. And sabi nila hindi raw kami qualified, pang senior citizen daw kami. Ayan. Ito na si Dian. She only has, 2 nights? Yeah, 2 days left. And she's flying back to Utah. Ayan. Kaya ito, pagala-gala siya. Ayan na, 3, 100. It's not bad.
Si President.